All right, so an update. Problem is solved. It was really simple. The idle air control valve was upside down, which you wouldn't think is a big deal, but it pulls the plunger open when you hit wide open, so that causes it to stall because the plunger can't go any more open, which means once you let off throttle, it's just gonna stall. It won't open up any further to catch the idle. Flipped it over, wide open throttle, high RPM, shifting gears, letting out in neutral. No issues, no more stall. Thing is awesome, runs great. So now I can take it up to Ford to get my wheel bearing replaced so I can put these bad boys on finally. These will definitely fit. Still got to do fitment and drive around to make sure this doesn't hit the knuckle, but everything should be good. And then I can get rid of these chrome plasti dipped ones. And then I'm not going to be able to go to ethanol and turn it up until after NMRA, but she's ready.